Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to download and install Node.js. So let's start. Open Chrome browser and search Node.js download. Click on this first link, official Node.js website, and click on free build installer. You can see download Node.js version 20.14.0. This is the latest version of Node.js. So click on download, so it will automatically start. So you can see the downloading is start. It will take some time. So the downloading is completed. Now click on this showing folder, right click on this setup and open. Now simply next. I accept the terms in the agreement, license agreement. Next, 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 and install. Yes, the installation is completed. Now I will check it is installed or not. So finish and open command prompt. So command prompt, enter, and for check we use one command. So node hyphen v, enter. So you can see version 20.14.0 installed successfully. So in this way you can download and install Node.js. So if you like the video, so please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.